Every single day, your body is running on a mineral deficit. Out of 102 minerals the human body uses, most people only get a fraction of them. Dr. Sebi, one of the most influential herbalists of the 20th century, said one plant could change that. It grows underwater, it's been used for centuries. And once you understand what it actually does inside your body, you'll wonder why no one told you about it sooner. In the next 6 minutes, you're going to learn exactly what sea moss is, what it does for your body, what Dr. Sebi said about it, how to make your own sea moss gel at home, and how much to actually take. Sea moss, scientifically known as Chondrus crispus, is a red algae that grows along the rocky Atlantic coastlines of Ireland, the Caribbean, and North America. It's been consumed for over 400 years. Irish communities relied on it during times of famine. Caribbean cultures have blended it into drinks, teas, and tonics for generations. This isn't a trend, it's a food with deep historical roots. What makes sea moss extraordinary is its mineral density. It contains up to 92 out of 102 minerals the human body uses, including iodine, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, selenium, and manganese. No single land-based plant comes close to that spectrum. Here's what that mineral load actually does for you. Iodine supports healthy thyroid function, which means better metabolism, energy regulation, and hormone balance. Magnesium supports sleep quality, muscle recovery, and nervous system function. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and hydration. Zinc strengthens immune response. Iron supports red blood cell production, making sea moss especially valuable for people on plant-based diets. Beyond minerals, sea moss contains a compound called carrageenan, a natural gel-forming fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut means better digestion, better immunity, and better absorption of everything else you eat. Sea moss also has natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties that have been documented in laboratory research, and its collagen-supporting nutrients make it popular for skin health as well. That's the plant itself. Now let's talk about the man who made it famous in the modern wellness world and why he called it a complete food. Dr. Sebi, born Alfredo Darrington Bowman in Honduras, was a self-taught herbalist and healer who built a nutritional philosophy that influenced millions of people worldwide. His core belief was simple. The body is designed to heal itself, but only when you give it the right environment to do so. That environment, according to Dr. Sebi, is alkaline. He argued that modern diets, high in processed foods, animal products, and synthetic additives, create an acidic internal environment that weakens the body over time. His solution was to remineralize the body using natural, plant-based, alkaline foods. Sea moss sat at the center of that philosophy. He called it a complete food because it delivers the minerals your body cannot produce on its own. He also pointed to its mucilaginous properties, the way carrageenan coats and soothes the mucous membranes lining your digestive and respiratory tracts, as a key part of its healing action. For Dr. Sebi, sea moss wasn't a supplement, it was a foundational food that the body recognizes and uses at a cellular level. Now, knowing what it is and why it works, here's how you actually make it. The best way to consume sea moss is as a gel. It's simple to make, lasts up to 3 weeks in the fridge, and can be added to almost anything. Here's what you need: raw dried sea moss, filtered water, and a blender. Step 1. Rinse your sea moss thoroughly under cold water to remove any sea salt or debris. Step 2. Soak it in a large bowl of filtered water for 12 to 24 hours. It will expand significantly, doubling or tripling in size. This is normal. Step 3. Drain the soaking water and add the expanded sea moss to your blender. Cover it with fresh filtered water, roughly a 1:2 ratio of sea moss to water, adjusting for thickness. Step 4. Blend on high until completely smooth. The result should look like a thick, creamy gel. Step 5. Pour it into a glass jar, seal it, and store it in the refrigerator. It will thicken further as it cools. It keeps for up to 3 weeks. One important note: use wild-crafted sea moss, not pool-grown. Wild-crafted sea moss is harvested from the ocean and absorbs minerals directly from seawater. Pool-grown versions are cultivated in controlled tanks and have a significantly lower mineral content. Check the source before you buy. We've linked a good one in the description if you need a starting point. Now you got the gel, here's exactly how much to use and the best ways to take it. The standard serving is 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel per day. Start with 1 tablespoon daily for the first week, then move to 2 if your body responds well. Consistency matters more than quantity. Daily use over weeks and months is where you see the real results. The most popular way is to add it directly to a smoothie. You won't taste it, but you'll get the full mineral and prebiotic benefit. You can also stir it into tea, blend it into soups, mix it into oatmeal, or take it straight from a spoon. The taste is mild and slightly oceanic. The texture, once gelled, is thick and smooth. Some people also apply it topically, directly to the skin as a face mask. Its mineral and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for hydration and skin clarity. Sea moss has been used for centuries, studied by scientists, and championed by Dr. Sebi for a reason. When your body gets the minerals it's been missing consistently, daily, from a natural source, things start to work the way they're supposed to. Better energy, better digestion, better sleep, better skin. This is what real nutrition looks like.